How to remove vocals from any songs. Are you looking for karaoke music and having a hard time finding something on YouTube? Or do you want to use a beat from a song but you can't find? Good news! I have a very easy tool for you here that solves all these problems, and it only takes you a few minutes. I'll let you show how this works. First you need the audio file of your music. Then you need to go to this website. Check the descriptions for the link. So if you can see on this website, there's a lot of different tools what you can use for free. But for now we will go to Splitter. Then press on Browse My Files. Then you select your file what you want to convert. Now you need to wait some minutes. There you go. So if you see, you have different layers. The music, vocal, bass and drums. All the layers on screen have a volume slider per layer. You can just play with the volume slider per layer. Press on the play button to listen what you have made. If you click on save, you can download here the whole mix what you have made. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe if you want more tutorials.